For today, we're going to be using the SimPole. We're going to interchange here. SimPole Excalibur 50 foot with Kevlar weave for the indicator there, with the 32 foot SimPole Samurai. It's got a trad tip on there, which is just the gooseneck, and I screwed on a simple auger tip onto the Euro threads. No glue or anything, it just screws right on with a pressure fit. I'm going to use the top two sections of the Samurai because they're a little bit shorter, and they're interchangeable with the top two sections of the Excalibur. So we'll need to loosen that up just a little bit. There. So we don't need all of these for this, but we'll take the four sections here. There's plenty of reach for what we need done. Again, this is the Excalibur with the Kevlar weave. Every section has a plastic stop at the bottom, and it's not painted here. It's the weave, so you always have an indicator, so you know when to stop when extending it. This job, it's a trad job, wood frame, painted wood frame, so Waterfed pole doesn't work very well with it. I'm gonna use the auger vice versa. Keep it simple. See the indicator there? You know the maximum extension, and that won't wear out because, like I said, it's a Kevlar weave, and they are interchangeable with each version of the SimPoles, which is nice if you need them. So this section here, easy breezy. Working in semi-direct sunlight. Part of it's shaded, but a lot of it's sunny, so it dries pretty quick, which is great for having the vice versa. And we just had some serious rains that created quite a mess, so we need a little bit more of scrub than usual. Again, cutting the top here. Look in the same direction as the wind. Not much breeze today, but still we don't want wind blowing soap back on the clean windows. Re-wet the sections that need it as we go, so they don't dry. Tap it clean between each pool. I'll wipe this one more time here. And feather in the last pool. So we don't need to worry about touch up with these frames. They're the way they're set up. There's no need for the touch up on them. And that last pool, as long as it's not dripping, we're good to go there. So again, this is the younger vice versa, with the SimPole trad conversion that anyone can do, which is nice. Re-wet it for the next one. Gotta go pretty quick in the sun. Sometimes when it's hot, you won't have time to change. You might even be able to see the steam coming off of that. So you need two poles set up, one with your squeegee, or with this one, I can slide it out of position to get a little bit more reach, so I can do a quick wet down. And quick reach up with the squeegee. Once we have that knocked down to a height I can reach, two-hand this because of the hot glass. And I will pre-scrub it just to make sure we get all that salt and dirt off of it from the storms. Do the rest of it. Easy. Close it out. Off the frame here.